Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio, play music through the system. If we go to your music, and it can be anything, it can be Amazon Prime, Apple iTunes, whatever. But you see at the bottom there, the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles. iPhone, your choices are iPhone, it play through the speaker there, or Citroen. The tick's next to Citroen. That means that whatever you play from this phone, if you have this set up right, it will play through the speakers. So I'm going to turn this down, click play. Over here, we go to, you've got source here. If I click source, well, first of all, I'll click it on. Click it on, turn it down. And then I click source. You've got input auxiliary 1, click it again, Barry's iPhone. So if you don't see it straight away, you've got to click the source button a couple of times. Now it's playing. If I turn that up and then turn this up, that's it, that's how you play music. I'll just show you again the source though. That's the source button there, click source. Radio, click it again. Auxiliary input, click it again. And that's this music. So you may have to click it a couple of times, should be 2 at the most, to get it onto the media from your phone.